when people talk about Jio, and we said Jio took India from number 158 in the world to number 1 in the world in 8 years. We, as a single company, didn't know anything about this domain, right? But today, we are the largest data company in the world, right?
Yeah.
Our volumes are equivalent to AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon combined.
Yeah.
So,
I would say size of local market is quite an advantage.
but let me tell you, like, the most satisfying piece, and
Well, having 1.5 billion
the
customers
best part,
would do it.
The best part's still coming.
That's pretty
Jensen.
satisfying.
So the most satisfying piece is that as Jio, we delivered about 16 exabytes of data this year, or we will deliver this year. And the average, in the US, you pay $5 a GB. In the world average for data is about $3.50 a GB. In India, Jio delivers data at 15 cents a GB. And what that means is...
Do you encourage your customers to use their phones?
We do. And what really that means, Jensen, is a perpetual value.
Yeah.
Right? That technology has delivered customer value of between $500 and $700 billion a year on year, every year, to Indians. And this is the gift of technology to the people of India. And this is what you described as intelligence, we can do to actually bring prosperity to all the people and bring equality to the world. And that is the opportunity, why I described this. And this is the reason that India will be one of the biggest intelligence markets. And it's not only our aspirations, but I think it is just the raw gene pool and the raw gene power that exists in India, the youth power that exists in India, that is actually going to drive intelligence, and hopefully once we drive intelligence for our domestic market, right? We will use intelligent services beyond software to integrate with the rest of the world.
That's right.
And Indians now will not only export CEOs to the world's largest companies, but hundreds of millions of Indians. Right?